I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So for September 17th, and this is early trading, market's been open for about 15 minutes. I just want to discuss from an educational point where the RSIs are trading and the probability of having a big down day based on the following simple observations. So right now, again, let's show the markets again slightly down for the day, but there's a probability that this could lead into a bigger drop by the end of the session based on what I'm going to be discussing, which is essentially RSI 50 crossing. So this is yesterday's close for the S&P 500, yesterday's close, and the RSI as of yesterday. If it ends up dropping below 50, and generally you tend to close towards session lows, this type of understanding can help those who trade the small time frame or intraday. Now, I just did update this chart for the S&P 500, and we can see for now the RSI is trading at about 48.8. So we can see that it is showing signs of cracking below 50. And this means that there's a chance that this could lead to a bigger drop than what is currently being observed. We shall see, of course. The Canadian market yesterday, the 16th of September 2021, closed with its RSI at about 52-ish. And we can see that if I update this chart, now the RSI for the TSX in this early morning trading is below 50. Trading at about 48.1. Now remember, let's say if you wanted to go long on a day-to-day intraday price action, you have to respect the probability of lower prices in the market just because they are holding below RSI 50. Now, if they recover intraday back above 50, then you can play any type of intraday bounce in the market. But for now, the pressure, generally speaking, tends to be that things are pointing down because of that RSI 50 crossing. If we take a look at Bitcoin's close, now you might think they're not related, but yeah, they do move in a general trend. So for yesterday, September 16th, the RSI for BTC happened to close at about 52.43. And if I go ahead and update this to capture the daily move for today, the 17th of September, we can see that now the RSI is at 51.22. So even here, we can see probability of a drop below 50, especially if the general market starts leaking lower. Then we can observe here that probably from an educational standpoint, even the cryptos are going to see an expansion from the slight down day here. Bitcoin down about 0.77 for the day. If the RSI starts approaching and if it crosses below RSI 50 on the daily. And just one other slight observation for now, even the 4 hourly for BTC is trading at about 51.7. So on the 4 hourly, which also means if the 4 hourly cracks below 50, expect an expanded move. The last time we cracked below 50 was for this big point drop there on the 4 hourly. And again, the reason why I'm mentioning this from an educational standpoint is it helps you structure your thinking as to where the momentum is lying in any instrument that is either moving above 50 or dropping below 50. Of course, movement above 50 leads to nice price gains for that period where the RSI is moving above 50. Just as when the RSI is dropping below 50 for any time frame, prices tend to react with a big drop. So for now, we see the market continuing with its intraday slide. The more the RSI stays, and if the RSIs discussed here stay below 50, I would expect the market to be biased on the downside for today. And again, this is just for those who trade in that intraday day trading time frame. And so it is. I am Eric Muathe. I leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one Creator. Adonai.